Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Hookset crew, what is going down? Saturday, me and Josh Aru out here Mission Bay, same sleigh grounds. We're gonna see if we can't replicate what we did last Sunday. Eelgrass, low tide, it's windy, it's cloudy. My boy's in a wetsuit, doing the damn thing. Spotties, let's go, let's get them. Went to Squidco yesterday, stocked up on some shit. Let's see what's working, try to figure out a plan. See what they're biting on. Let's get it. Yes! Yeah! Yes! Hookset crew, baby. First one on the board. Look at that line on him. That's fucking sick. Let's go! Yeah! Yes! Dude! Swallowed. Holy swallowed. Let's go, Hookset. Let's go, baby. Yes. 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 Nope. Let's go, baby. Hookset. Easy, bud. Easy. Easy. Oh, he's feisty. He's feisty. Ah! This fucking guy. Nice one. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Thanks, brother. Whoa! Let's go! Oh shit! Right at the boat! Yes! Yeah! Let's go! Dude! Let's go. Let's go, buddy.
Let's go, buddy.
Yeah. In the weeds. Nice one. Swallowed it. Oh yeah, yes. Look at that. What the fuck is that? What's in there? What you got in your gullet? What you got in your gullet, brother? Nice one.